In this video, I'll show you how to create a flash transition for any element in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, upload the videos you want to apply the transitions to onto the timeline. Go to the first video, hold down the Alt key, and drag to duplicate the video layer. Next, click on the Object Mask tool and select the element you want to apply the effect to. For example, I'll click on the dog. Then head over to the Effect Controls panel. If you don't see it on your screen, go to the top menu, select Window, and choose Effect Controls. Make sure you have the top video selected. Then click the Track Forward and Backward buttons to track the element. Wait a moment for the tracking to finish. After that, right-click on Object Mask and select Change to Opacity Mask. Finally, go to the Effects panel and search for the Dip to White effect. Drag it once onto the top video layer and once onto the bottom video layer. You have two options to achieve a professional effect. Either shift the bottom video forward by 1 frame or more, or cut a small part from it, depending on the look you prefer for the transition. And here is the final result. I will repeat the exact same effect one more time so you don't forget, but at a faster pace, and apply the final transition using the exact same method. If you enjoyed the video and learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to support me and catch all the latest updates.